I think what you've done just now is you have used the word use case in a way that makes a lot of sense, because in the past people have used the word use case to imply a particular failure mode, and it is very, very hard to address just one failure mode in a cost effective way. So naturally, everybody gets stuck. They cannot scale it, the approach that they've come up with, and they cannot deliver the benefit to a business because that failure mode may not happen for a very long time. Even if you have the right solution, it doesn't produce value until the failure mode occurs. On the other hand, when you say the use case is maintenance or it is emissions, it works a lot differently. Now, where do people start? They generally do start with one use case. Often that use case tends to be about reliability or about process improvement, or I guess process optimization. Um, Sometimes we end up working with process engineers who have an ongoing open topic to improve energy efficiency, for example. And therefore, their attention will be how do we improve process while reducing energy? Or sometimes, as I gave you the example of the blast furnace, they are interested in reducing the maintenance demand on the furnace by controlling the energy and the temperature inside the furnace. So it may be originating from we have too much maintenance and therefore too much downtime to improving the process. Now, this is where I think it is, at least to me, it is becoming apparent that maintenance technologies, especially in the context of smart manufacturing, are often seen as something that is for the benefit of the maintenance team and is used only by the maintenance team, or maybe a data scientist, but not anybody else. What we are realizing is that smart manufacturing is going to require engineering in much the same way that perhaps a new manufacturing process requires engineering. And so we tend to work best when we work with the engineering team because for them, conditions are a new kind of resource. They will exploit it to optimize the entire plant's operation, not only one objective such as maintenance, but they usually will start from one. So hopefully, I'm helping you understand how people start. They start with the intention of improving either maintenance or the process. And process is pretty broad. We've seen that occur a few times, and therefore I don't feel that people are wrong about it. And then they grow from that into energy as well as into quality.